Hi, mister. What are you doing? You got the hiccups? You got the hiccups. What are you doing with your arm? What's going on there? Oh, making a fist. Oh, man. What's it doing? What you doing, bud? Oh, you want to grab me? Huh? You want to grab my hand? Oh, you want to hold my hand? Do you want to hold my hand and dance? Do you want to dance? Why so serious? Why so serious?
Yeah, I got hiccups and they won't go away.
I got the hiccups and they won't go away, so I'm being serious. It's rough. So you decide to wake up when its visiting hours are over. Woo. And now you want to play. Yes. Now you want to play. Do you want to play now? Now you want to see Mommy and Daddy when it's time for us to go. Is that how you work?
Yeah, of course. I got my diaper changed.
Oh man, look at those eyes. They're so bright. They're so big. Oh man, you're all about that hand. It's all about that fist, huh? You take that after your mommy, huh? Oh man. Oh, there he goes. See, I got so many wires. I'm like a superhero with my wand. Ooh. Oh, mister. Oh, mister. Mr. Isaiah. You gonna do something funny for us? Oh, there you go. Goodness. These hiccups are driving me nuts. Hey, Daddy, take the hiccups away, please. Pretty please. I know. It's rough. Yeah.
So Daddy, turn off the camera.
You want me to turn off the camera? Oh, alright, I'll turn it off. Say goodnight to everybody. Wave bye. Say bye-bye. Good job. Wow, he's trained well. Good night.